Hey everyone, in this video I will be reviewing the software that's launched on JVZoo. Honestly, it's the fourth or fifth time I'm recording this particular video. I don't know if it went live or not. So if it is, so heads up to me. Thank you so much, Shiraz, for creating this video. So in this particular video, I will be showcasing you the review of Edward Suit. So this is a JVZoo product that launched 1 year ago, and I purchased that 1 year ago, and it's going pretty good as of now. I purchased it from JVZoo. Let's see if I got payment receipt. Okay, so I purchased $49 for front end. Actually, I applied a coupon, so I will give it to you, and then $67 for the upsell. So what exactly these are? So before going into tool, I will be going into the upsell and the parts of this. So before that, they having VIP training. This is available as upsell. So I have purchased front end and OTO1. So I have not purchased these two things. And next I have tutorials. So tutorials are some kind of videos that you can check out. Definitely check out for learning the AdWords tool. Then you having support. Then they having favorite ads. That's one of my most favorite part because I am adding tons of ads there that I liked. Then the settings that I showcased to the logout, then upgrade plan. So that's about their interface. And these are some ads that I just loved. So as you can see, built in the 60s original. I am surrounded by idiots. So Austin. Okay, not Austin. It's something different. So actually, I thinking to run a T-shirt brand, but I drop off the idea. But I did a quite comprehensive research, right? So that's my research around 1 year ago. So that's something that you can consider. Like this is the option. Let me showcase you this tool. So let's suppose you want to go into Facebook, and let's suppose I want to see the ads by Edward Suit. So most of the ads are not here because the Edward Suit is not working properly. So I think Luke is running ad from his page. Luke Maguire. Yeah, Luke Maguire. So let's see what ads he was running. So yeah, he was running adverts. So did you leave something and the targeting ad, and he's also engager mate. So he's having tons of softwares. So as you know, JV's when it launched tons of software, then have it them for 2 or 3 or 4 years, then they just leave it and discontinue the software. So this is the nature of JVZoo products. So if you are going into long term with JVZoo, then I will not consider that. But this is something that's quite cheap and quite good for me, honestly. So if you check out the Power Ad Spy, so why? So this is the one of the most trending tool for ad spying, like AdWords. It's an alternative. So how much they're charging? So they're charging $49 a month. I don't know what happened to the pricing. Okay. Okay. So but I don't know what. Okay, it's loading. So let me reset down. Okay, so they're charging $49 per month. It's a fortune for ad tracking for Instagram, YouTube. And so I purchased this tool, and I'm getting some less options, but I'm having everything. But you, if you are something who are is a full time into Facebook marketing, then Power Ad Spy is something to invest in. Then I will not recommend you this. But if you are like me, who just want to see what's running in the market and what's not, just came in here for a week and see what's going on, then it's a good platform, honestly. So Luke is running this ad for advert suits. You can have a eye on him. So I'm using Active Campaign. So let's spy some Active Campaign ads. Active. So they are like they're coming on my Instagram like anything. Active Campaign. Active Campaign full training. I don't know why this is Active Campaign full training. So I don't know. It's something different. I don't know why I'm unable to find the Active Campaign page. Spellings are correct or not? Active Campaign. So they are correct. Maybe this thing. I don't know. Okay, Active Campaign. Okay, so they're having the format like this. Yeah. So got the Active Campaign. So as you can see, the verified thing is over here. So as you can see, the Active Campaign ads. Then I will love to see ConvertKit. Honestly, ConvertKit is something that I am using on from a long time. ConvertKit. Let me go and search. Wow. So these are the ads by ConvertKit. So they are promoting mostly their webinars. What happened? Okay. So they are promoting their free plan. They are promoting their webinars. Yeah. So ConvertKit is doing a quite good job. So yeah, ConvertKit. So now let's not go to AdSpy, and I want to see now we want to go in domain level. Maybe someone is advertising tons of things. So let's see this website, that's Engage Buy. So must be they will be doing media buying on, what do you call it, on Facebook as well. So Engage Bay. Okay. We are into domain level. Sorry, engagebay.com. .com, yeah. So yeah, so they are doing, yeah, a number one HubSpot alternative. So they are adding, they are like maybe targeting the HubSpot people and just showcasing this ad. So we can go in depth into that as well. Let me click on this. So actually, I left this ad. So I don't know what's the response is there. I will add into favorite and I will check that out later. So they are telling grow your revenue 5x. Who do not want to grow the revenue? So Alima, okay, so they are CRM. So in adverts, would like they give you this option, but these are available sometime. Mostly time they are not available, honestly. So I will be showcasing you everything, guys, that my experience with it. So this is something that you can see they are running longest. These are the most profitable ads they are running longest. So yeah, so they are running this ad, so this might will be profitable, honestly. So no, I don't want to go into that. So you can short by shares as well. Share is something that's pretty good. So let's go into the keywords and let me go into ad text, and I want something mentioned called Black Friday. Then I want them to be at least to be 1200k shares. So let's see what people are doing for Black Friday. These two brothers to crash their website or Black Friday to learn about trust. What is this, right? I am feeling interesting to watch it. I don't know why it's not playing over here. So, okay, so I think that's a link or what? I don't know what happened actually. So that ad was not working or something. So let's see this ad. So this is working fine. So these are the ad that I getting engagement for Black Friday. Black Friday super sale for e-com store. You can see 15,000 shares. Wow. So this will be quite profitable ads. So you can go and just go and narrow down something. So I don't want to go into that. So let me keep it blank. So you can target country, you can target space between, you can target city, and they're having tons of annoying button. I don't know why, but they're having tons of annoying button here. So I did not touch that this mostly. I just go and search for learn more mostly. So honestly, I don't want to do anything now as of now. So ad type you want photo or what, or which position you want, news feed or side column. So I want to see news feed ads. So here you can't see story ads in Facebook, honestly. So that's something not good. So gender, you can see the language, you can select the age between 18 to 24. So this is something that's more not working properly. So that's not recommended feature, honestly, over here. So click funnels and lead pages, this is something pretty cool. Then you can see the e-com stores, you can select like, so if you, let's suppose if you're doing a drop shipping or something, you want to find those people, right? So pretty good tactic is just select the Shopify and click on search, and you will see tons of drop shipping stores. Okay, so not go, okay, just look at this looks like a drop shipping store to me. Okay, let's see what they are. So competitor research or drop shipping people, this is something pretty good thing. And this seems to be good, but they now seem to be a drop shipping or something store like that. Cover 2020, where is their about page? Oh, no about page, wow. Help, they having help return policy. But where are you about page, guys? So seems like this is a drop shipping store, and the name is also something like that. So we'll not go into that, but they're having pretty good ad. Comma. Okay, so this is something pretty good. So people are selling anything on Shopify. This is definitely a Shopify store, honestly. So you can go into that. Like let's suppose I want to ecom. No, I want to go into known. Like I want to see people are that are using ClickFunnels and such. Let's see some funnels. So unleash the power, Tone Robbins. Saurav Jain. So he's quite popular in India. Maybe you know him. So he's offering this for $7. Wow. 6 hours of growth workshop. So actually, I saw this ad in my news feed. So this is pretty good that you can leverage to check out some funnels. So special interest casino and things like that. So I did not go into that honestly. So now let me go into Instagram part. So this is a part of upsell. So you need to purchase $67 upsell, and you can check out the software through my affiliate link. So actually I will be bashing this software honestly. So maybe someone will purchase or not, but I found tons of errors in it. But their support is quite good honestly as per my experience as of now. So same thing as like that, you can see everything, but ad type you got stories. This is the difference. And ecom platform, everything is same like that. Like I just want to see stories. Let's search for stories. Only stories. I want to see story ads. So now you can see some story ads people are running. Nothing, nothing fancy about it. Let me search for Black Friday because Black Friday is near. So let me show you date. 12 November 2020. So yeah, Black Friday sale, Black Friday, Black Friday. Yeah. So that's all for Black Friday. Let me go into Google Ads. So honestly, I did not see this Facebook and Instagram team to be same. I did not touch this Instagram part unless I am storing, checking the story. So these are something. What is this? Offers.com. Sudek trunks on sale. Defect inspection. Saint Christian necklace. Copper West real estate. Best mobile bird hunting GPS. MPS. I maps. I don't know what exactly they are selling, but so there are tons of ads. So we saw a ad, I think, Engage by, right? Yeah, Engage by. I'm having them. So I just wanna see some ads by engageby.com. I are these guys able to track them? So yeah, so they having okay. They also Bittrex 24 alternative on CRM platform. They're doing tons of advertising, honestly. So good. So what I saw at that time, active campaign. So let's see some other competitors. No ads this time. Let me search for ConvertKit. AppSumo. Something I need. AppSumo. And what brand? What brand I need? What brand? Edward Suit. So since I'm great, okay, Edward Suit review. I see. Okay, so this website is running ads. So I want to track this guy, what he's doing. So these reviews are not worth it. Honestly, I have checked all and nothing was there. Pro blogging tips.net. Sorry, man. I'm reviewing you in front of all my audience using the same tool that you are reviewing. He will be offended or not. So adverts with launch Mela, launch discount, launch Mela, real user review. Which one we are checking? Honest review. So that's not listed over here, but seems like he's running ads from a longer time. New stuff on new stuff review. New stuff reviews. Honestly, I can't copy the URL and I do not want to like I do not want them to pay for my click. So new stuff online. Let me click on search. Coach ZP honest review. AdWords would upsell the OTOs. Wow. AdWords would complete review. AdWords would review. AdWords would review. It's the what to Coach ZP. Would fit Videx review. Mad Sense app. I don't know. I don't know this soft. I know this one. This one is quite good actually. I found it on the reviews and I think they are selling it. They are scaling it honestly. So Coach ZP, I think it's working or not. Okay, so they shifted to a recurring planning, I think. So this is one of the most successful launches on JVZoo, honestly. So Mintware.io, okay, got it. So this is Friday just to showcase why CodeZip is not here. So guys, don't trust JVZoo products, honestly, but they seems to be good sometimes. So nothing to be showcased over here. This is same button like top or bottom. You can select language and country. Nothing too fancy, but these are some ads. Now I want to jump in YouTube. Oh, okay. Sorry, by mistake I did that. Let me go to YouTube videos and let me check out this video. Let me mute this. Maybe I will got ad. The ad that we got, I will just put that name and try to search for it, right? Or right away. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Wow, Mr. Beast. Maybe no ads here. Okay. My internet is not working again. I don't know why. Roasting the business guru ads on my YouTube channel. Okay, got ad, got ad, got ad. I'm so much excited now to see ad. Hostinger, okay. Hostinger.in. So by the way, you having same options over here, nothing to be fancy. Okay, but let's click on search. Videos. Oh, this is also lifetime software deal. I don't know what how exactly it is. So hostinger.in, waiting for your ads. No ads. Why? So YouTube is not working perfectly. YouTube.hostinger.com. So yeah, they having ads for .com. I think no. Let me check this domain. Okay, let me check out this particular domain. Sorry for the click. Okay. So I got this particular domain and I will put it over here and see what I have. And click on search. Let's see. I'm so excited to see any ads. By the way, guys, this is the founder of appsumo.com. Okay, so I got videos ads. So as you can see, I am having tons of videos ads. So you can definitely go in and check out all their ads. So honestly, that's all about this particular tool called AdWords Review. So I reviewed tons of ad like videos. I am seeing this ad from a long time, but I don't know this is from videos. So actually, that's all about for this particular tool called AdWords. And if you want to purchase this particular tool, so I will not recommend you if you are thinking for long term, then I will not recommend you to go for it. But if you are not a frequently ad buyer, then if you are looking for a cheap alternative, honestly, instead of our ad spy, then it's a definitely a recommendation for AdWords review. Just keep clearing, and this is a particular tool that I liked, and this is one of my most favorite tool that I purchased from JVZoo Market. So definitely worth to check it out. So that's all for this particular AdWords review. If you like this particular review, then you can go to surfsas.com and subscribe to my newsletter for the hottest deals that you can enjoy in the market. So go to substash.com and subscribe to newsletter, and you can also subscribe to this particular channel as well. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Like it if you like it, and thank you so much.